In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create interactive links in PowerPoint so you can make your presentations more dynamic, clickable, and engaging. Whether you want to link to a website, jump to another slide, open a file, or create a clickable button inside your presentation, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. Interactive links are perfect for business presentations, online courses, student projects, and even interactive quizzes. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow PowerPoint tips and tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and navigate to the slide where you want to create the interactive link. You can add links to text, images, shapes, icons, or almost any object inside PowerPoint. Start by selecting the text or object that you want to turn into a clickable link. For example, you might highlight a piece of text like "click here," or you can click on a shape or image to select it. Once you've selected your text or object, go to the top menu and click on Insert. This will open the Insert toolbar with different options you can add to your slide. In the Insert tab, look for the option called Link. Depending on your version of PowerPoint, it may also appear as Hyperlink. Click on Link. As soon as you click on Link, a new window will appear. This is where you choose what you want your interactive link to do. On the left-hand side, you'll see different options. You can link to an existing file or web page, which allows you to direct your audience to a website. Simply paste the full URL into the address field at the bottom and click OK. If you want to link to another slide within the same presentation, choose the option called Place in this document. You'll then see a list of all the slides in your presentation. Select the slide you want to link to and click OK. This is especially useful for creating interactive menus or non-linear presentations where you can jump between sections. You can also link to an email address by choosing the email option and entering the email details. When someone clicks the link during the presentation, it will open their default email app. After selecting your desired link option and clicking OK, your text or object will now be interactive. If it's text, you'll notice it may change color and become underlined, depending on your theme. If it's a shape or image, it won't visibly change much, but the link will still be attached. To test your interactive link, go to the Slideshow tab and click From Current Slide. Now click on the linked text or object. If you linked to another slide, it should jump there immediately. If you linked to a website, it will open in your default browser. Always test your links before presenting to make sure everything works smoothly. Here's a bonus tip. If you don't want the text to appear underlined or in a different color, you can adjust the formatting. Simply select the text and use the font options to customize the appearance while keeping the link active. Interactive links are a powerful way to make your presentations look more professional and give you more control during live presentations. You can create clickable navigation buttons, interactive table of contents slides, and even simple branching scenarios for training materials. And that's it. Now you know how to create interactive links in PowerPoint quickly and easily. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more PowerPoint tips and step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.